You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word from Spanish. It simply means in Spanish a wrestler who does wrestling, and it's also the professional wrestling circuit. A professional wrestler in Latin America, including Mexico. The Spanish pronunciation here is luchador, luchador, with a stress on that last dor syllable, luchador. Now in English, if you cannot pronounce Spanish perfectly, you can say it as luchador. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.